I don't think I really introed this video yet. Colin's here. We're in Vermont this weekend for our anniversary. We're just gonna be doing random things, nothing crazy, and I figured I would vlog it and take you guys along. So, welcome to the Vermont vlog. No, my camera's dying.
Oh no!
Oh my god. We are on our way to the Vermont Brewery, which is like the Sound of Music. So I'm gonna hopefully show you guys that with this camera. If not, it will be from my phone. So that's where we're heading now to get some lunch and some beer and just kind of hang around until our hotel's ready. So we're gonna go do that. We just got to the brewery. Sorry, my camera is dead, so iPhone it is. Did you guys go on hikes when you went to Vermont? No, we went to get cheese. Is it weird?
It's good. It tastes like cream soda.
Oh, they're so tiny. Everything is just so cool. I love all the animal prints, everything. Okay, hopefully this is fine. I'm vlogging with my phone again. We finished eating. We're kind of just killing time right now. Colin ran into the liquor store. The Vermont Brewery, it was a little weird. It felt very House of Wax to me. Like small town, I don't know. It was just kind of weird. I don't know if I'd recommend it. The food was like okay. The beer was kind of not great. We just wanted to try it because why not? So we did. And will we go again? Probably not. So yeah, we're just killing time. I want to go to the grocery store to get a kombucha because my stomach kind of hurts. And like I said, we're just kind of killing time until we can check in, and then I'll show you guys the hotel. And hopefully you can hear me fine. I do have a microphone for my phone. I can try to use it later. I was saying how the food wasn't that great. But go for yourself. I don't know. I hate telling people what to do, but I wouldn't recommend it. We're gonna go and go get a kombucha. Grocery store. I got a detox shot and a digestion shot. Can't say that. Please help me, because my stomach hurts so bad. Okay.
Stuff these between my seat.
Off to the hotel. We just got to the room. It's so cute. We're staying at the Tulsa Lodge, and we got a king room, but we think we got upgraded because we got this balcony out here, which I'm gonna show you in a second. But the room, it's so cute. You walk in, you have your coffee station, bathroom. Outside we have like a patio, and then the cute little bed. I'll show you out here. Ugh. So pretty, and then there's a river right there. Okay, so some time has passed since last time we spoke. I'm back on this camera, so I'll charge it up. We went in the sauna in the pool, so I feel nice and refreshed, showered. We're trying to figure out where we want to eat. We think we know. It's this like pizza shop that we think we're gonna go to. Pizza restaurant, Italian place? I guess it's all of the above. It's an Italian place. I tried to dress really comfortable. Let's see if I can even show you my outfit because I still feel like shit.
Yeah.
You can't see them. See, these are the pants. They're like this like scrunchy loose material, and that's what I'm wearing tonight because nothing fits and I still don't feel good. So let's get Italian food because that'll help everything. We just got back from dinner. It was very good, way better than lunch, but I think we're just going to hang out for the night and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It is the next day. I'm just getting ready. I don't really know what our plans are today. I don't think much of anything. I know we're gonna go downtown, go to the shops a bit. I did want to have like a cute little picnic somewhere, but it's very cloudy and I don't know if it's supposed to rain. There's a child right outside my window. Morning. Hi, you're fine. Oh my god, being social. So we just finished with breakfast, and what are the odds that the little boy that said hi to me and his whole family were there? It was awkward, but I got a smoothie and a dirty chai. Colin got a bacon, egg, and cheese and a coffee. And now we're just gonna go drive around because we don't really know what to do. We're not hiking. You can go whenever you want.
Okay.
We're not gonna do any hikes or anything this trip. We're just kind of relaxing and doing whatever we want. So we're just enjoying being here. We just finished up at lunch. We went to Stowe Sandwich Company, which we go to pretty much every time that we come down here because it's so good. I had the pesto sandwich, not the pesto, the braise sandwich, and Colin had the Cuban, and it was so good. Now we're just gonna go walk around downtown and digest because I'm so full. Hopefully you can hear me okay and we're not too shaky. We're on our way to dinner. We took a little nap. I'm gonna try to show you my outfit somehow, but I don't know how. It's very similar to last night's outfit. We're going to the bench for dinner. We will let you know how it is.